Hello buddies, welcome to Digital Softics. In this session, we are going to explain about the data communication networking tutorials. So today we are going to discuss about what is data communication. Data communication is very important concepts and very important course when you are studying about networking, software engineering or computer science. So it is necessary for cyber security and other hacking ethical hacking courses. So it is really necessary for you to understand about the data communication. So let's explore today's agenda. So what we will learn today, what is data communication, characteristics of data communication and the basic elements of data communication. So let's explore about what is data communication. So data communication is the combination of two words data, which mean the raw facts, and communication, that how the data is moved from one place to another. So when the data is moved from one place to another, this is called data communication. So in daily we sending the data from email, SMS, everything that we use to send to our friends or family members. So we call them data communication. That is why the data communicate with the person remotely. So data is collection of raw facts and figures. It may consist of text or graphics or sound. So when we call or video call, we talking about the video call. So it is also called data communication visually. So graphically we are sharing our visuals with another. So it is also included in data communication. So data communication is the process of transferring data electronically from one place to another. So when the data is sending from one place to another, we call them communication, and the whole process is called data communication. So data can be transferred by using different mediums. So when we are talking about the medium, so we using wireless technology, we using wire. So there is why different kind of medium are used when we communicating or when we sending data from one place to another. So when the data is transferred from one place to another with the help of using some kind of medium, we call them data communication. So data communication include an electromagnetic or light wave used to transmit data from one place to another. So it is called signal. So this is the basic definition of signal. So in this slide we have the two computers and we have data sending from one computer to another with the help of signals or with the help of some wires. So wires use also signals. So that is why the signals, the basic definition of signal is there is a light wave used to transmit data from one place to another. Is called signals. So signals play a very important role in data communication. We will explore the different types of signals in the future lessons. So it is a basic definition of signals. So this is the two computer system we have, and we have the data sending over the medium, and the medium here is a wire or any other thing. So signals are used to transmit data from one place to another using wire technology. We have the characteristics of data communication. So these are the basic characteristics of data communication. When these things are included in the data, we call them a correct data communication is occur. So number one is delivery. The system must deliver data to correct destination. For example, delivery means when I want to send data to a Bob, so the Bob is using a computer, so my message will be sent it to Bob, not to ABC or any other person. So that is called delivery. So the data must be delivered and the data must be sent it to the right destination or the required destination. We have number two, accuracy. Accuracy means when I send it a message to above hello, so this message will be sent as hello, not hi. So this is the delivery, the accuracy, that the system must be delivered the data accurately. What I am sending is to reach the required destination, and what I am sending, that is the correct in the correct form. So it is called accuracy. We have timeless system should deliver the data within time. So the data, the timeline is very important. There is because when I am sending a message to Bob and it will reach into Howard, so the data communication, the medium or the facility of network is used very badly. So instant message and directly within just a few seconds, this message has been sent to the required destination. So timelines is the characteristics of data communication. We have the jitter. So jitter is the variation in the arrival time of packet. So sending time is 20 meter per second if the packet take 30 meter per second. So that is jitter. So variation and arrival of time. When my data require 20 seconds, so it will, if it will take 30, so the jitter is bad. So here the jitter is the arrival time, in how much time you're sending the data. So with the help of these characteristics, we can measure the network performance. So that is why these things are very necessary in our daily life, in our daily data communication. We have the basic elements of data communication. We have the message. So the message or is the data or information to be communicated, such as text, audio or video. It contain message. So when we deliver, we are just transferring the message to others. We have the sender. So it is just a sender which send the data. When I want to send the data to Bob, so I am the sender for this, or base for this data communication. We have the receiver. So receiver is the device that receives the message, that is called sink. So the Bob computer is called receiver. That is why I am the sender and the Bob is receiving my message. When somebody receiving your message is called receiver. We have the transmission. So transmission medium is the path through which the messenger or transferred carry message from one place to another. So it is called transmission when my message is sending from one place to another. So that is called transmission. So we have the basic elements of data communication. We have two computer, we have some kind of medium, wires or signals, whatever we using, and we have the data sending from one place to another. So data must be correct, the data must be reach my destination right, and data must be correct in the correct form when they received by my receiver or my friend. So this is the basic of data communication. We have explained the basics, the characteristics of data communication, and we use the different elements of important element that contain message. So message must be the data to be sent. It may be video or audio. We have the senders, a person which sending the message called sender. We have the receiver. So receiver is a person which is receiving your message, and we have transmission. So medium or the technology we are using to, so that is called, when the data is sending from one place to another, it will sending with the help of transmissions. So we have the basic idea behind the data communication. And we have the characteristics. So it's all about today's session. Thanks for watching.